Okay, right now the notes is visible to everyone who is even not logged in. Okay, so we need to create a method where only logged in users are able to see the notes. Okay, let's see how we can do that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to notes, and from there we're going to go to views.py, and then we're going to add in a line here. We're going to import something. We're going to say from Django.contrib.auth.makes you're going to say import login required mixin. Okay, so let's save that. Now we need to update the list view. So let's scroll down. You can see that we have list view over here. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to add login required to this. So we're going to say login required mixin. Okay, and then we need to specify the login URL. So I'm going to say login _URL, and then we'll specify that they have to go to /admin. Okay, and now what we need to do is we need to specify that it should be available only to the one who is logged in. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can specify a function. We can say get query set, and you can see that we get a lot of options here, so we don't need all of this stuff. And here what we can do is we can say return, let's say self dot request dot user dot notes dot all. Okay, so it's going to get only the notes from the user who is there. Okay, so let's run this. I'm going to say run server. Okay, let's get to our page and let's hit enter. So now you can see that it's not letting me to see that. So if I go back to my page here and let's try to go to Smart Notes, it's asking me to log in. Let's try logging in, and now I can go to view site and go to Smart Notes. Now I can see that. So only logged in people are able to see these notes.